Okay, this is frozen garlic infused olive oil. I'm going to need 2 tablespoons plus 1/3 cup today because I'm going to be making my homemade salad dressing using this. And I'm also going to be using this for a dilled sweet potato dish. So I'm thawing this out right now. It'll probably be melted within a half an hour. Okay, here's the recipe, low FODMAP lemon vinaigrette. I'll be posting this at my website. I'm going to half the recipe because I don't have that much lettuce. I've got some romaine lettuce that I need to use up, and I no longer trust my Honey Dijon ready-made dressing to agree with me. So I'm going to have to make my own salad dressing. This is about half of a 1/3 cup of garlic infused olive oil. So go ahead and put that in there. Yeah. And then we're going to go ahead and put in about 1½ tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. I'm going to put it in here so I get some of the olive oil in here. That's about right. Yeah, I'll be going ahead. Oh, what am I doing? I can tell Lori's brain control is something awful, man. Okay, let's kind of swish that around. Add that to that. You say, why did you get the ready-made dressing? Well, it was a diet dressing and I was worried about gaining weight. That's not something I need to worry about. About a ½ tablespoon of red. I am not in danger of being overweight. That is not something I need to worry about. Okay, so about a half red wine vinegar. Now, I don't need to take that off. About ½ tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Kind of doing a guesstimate here. That'll work. Like I said, I'm halving the recipe. All right, the next ingredient, about a ½ teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Let's do the dry spice first. Okay, a ¼ teaspoon of dried oregano because I'm halving the recipe. So let's do about a ¼ teaspoon. That would be about half of this. That's good, right there. Okay, and maybe an ⅛ teaspoon of salt. I'm going with the dried stuff first because I'm going to have to use a wet ingredient. Maybe this is like a half, so that'll work. Okay, and let's see, ½ teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This is new. Yeah, I had a bunch of Dijon mustard, but I had to buy new ones because they were all expired. Jesus told me to throw out all my expired food. Okay. ½ teaspoon Dijon mustard. Oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and put this back on. That would be what's in here. That's good. Okay. Now I'll put the cover. I think I've got everything now. Okay, I've got the garlic infused olive oil in here. Lemon juice, red wine vinegar. Yep, you can see it actually. The Dijon mustard, dried oregano, salt. Shake it all together. There's my salad dressing. Now what I need to do with this is, and I'm going to test it out. You need to shake it good though. I'm going to make a salad. A simple salad because I need to use up my romaine before it goes rotten. But I needed to make my own salad dressing because I think let me show you what I have decided I'm not going to use. I'm not going to throw this out because my body might. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. This is what I've been using. Yeah. There's only one problem. Look at the ingredient list there. Do you see that? Do you see the onions in there? There's onions in there. Diced onion. And garlic too. Garlic. And natural flavors. That probably means more onions and garlic. So now this, I think I need to lay low on this for a while. I have noticed that I do react to powdered onion and garlic when I did a food diary. So this is something I need to pay attention to. And when I went to the store, I looked at the ingredient list of all the dressings. They all use onions and garlic. So I got to make my own. So that's what I'm doing. I got to make my own dressing. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble my salad. And then I will test this on my salad and let you know how it is. Let me try I poured the lemon vinaigrette dressing on this. Here's what it looks like. You got to shake this. It's a homemade dressing. It's low FODMAP. It's really good. It tastes really expensive. Yeah. It tastes really expensive. Like, actually, if, this tastes like rich people's food. I didn't spend that much money. Let's just hope that it agrees with my stomach. I have to make a homemade salad dressing because I gotta omit the garlic and onions. I used garlic infused extra virgin olive oil. It really tastes good. This is good. This is a winner. Amen.